Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. I hope you're having a very great day, guys. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Share with your friends. It's a very, very good day, guys. Everything's still fine, still nice. It's a new month, new beginning, guys. So what do we see on the market? I see the market is trying to recover, guys. But what you can do is don't forget to check the news. Those things, they're going to help you to understand what's really going on. When the market is going down, when the market is going down, up, you will still understand what's really happening in the market. I'm not saying that you're going to trade according to fundamentals, but my point is you just need to understand what's really happening. When you are a trader, you should really understand what's really going on all over the world, because most of those things, they will affect the market one way or another. So get funded with Traders Central to kickstart your trading career and make the profit that you deserve, and you will get access to TradingView, my FX book, and many more, and enjoy Traders Central ecosystem and so much more on their marketplace. Link in my description. Check the link, then you will start to enjoy more of the funding. Thanks. Friends, we are on US oil. Guys. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If not, please smash that subscriber today. Just disappoint that Satan and just subscribe. You're watching my channel for some time, but you are not subscribed yet. I'm just joking. If you don't feel like so, it's fine. Just continue watching. So we are on US oil. If you watched my previous video yesterday, I think you see what's really happening here. Yesterday, the market was still around this area. I think the market is just consolidating. We don't see much of a move, but with what happened, what's really happening currently, between Russia and Ukraine, we can still see the market pushing up. We can still see. It's just that now those things, they did not kick in. You remember, they sanctioned Russia, so many things, guys. They sanctioned the SWIFT code, so that they block the SWIFT code. So if you are in Russia, you can't do business. If you're using that method of payment, then that is going to affect so much of stuff, especially here on the market, but not instantly. But we will see that gradually going, maybe in few weeks or few months. You will see what is going to happen. But at the moment, everything is quite clear, guys. We can see that the market is still playing above our support. You know, when the market is playing above the support area, it means it's still bullish. So we should just look for the market to give us a higher low, or maybe to go back a little bit, or to reject, before we can say, you know what, it's time to push up again. Around this area, guys, we can't buy. Let's wait. Let's be patient. Wait for the market to give you some small rejections before we can push up. Or maybe if it pushes up, it will create some sort of something like this. Then we're going to get the market around there. It's called the higher lows. Simple as that. Don't forget to join my team, guys. It's only $150 to learn everything about the market. So if you just want the signals, only the signals, which is monthly. This is March, guys. I told you this is March. From March, everything is monthly now. $15 monthly. But if you want some very nice, if you want to learn, like seriously learn, yeah, it's $150. Get mentorship and all those things, strategies and all the good things, right? So what do we see here? We are on gold. What I see is the market is still on a very, very nice bullish momentum. And guess what? It's actually where we're supposed to buy. Why? Because the market was just going down, and we can see the market has been like consolidating for some time. But what I love is the market is way too very, very, very close to my support area. What I was going to do is, I'm just going to do something like this. I removed that. I hope you saw that I removed that. It was there already. So it's going to be something like this. Simple as that. So yeah, so maybe I can just use a bit smaller time frame. Let's say, what do we see on an hour? maybe we might see something, then we can have some small trends line and say if maybe that is broken, we can just take the trade. We can say, okay, for us to be on the right side of the market, we can do something like this and say, you know what, this is an hour time frame, right? So let me just do double lines so that you don't fall for fake breakouts. At the moment, the market is creating something like a wedge. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So what's really happening here is, at the moment, the market is just playing between this support and resistance. So for you to say you need to buy, don't just jump. Because if you just jump on the market around this area, the market might go lower again. So the best thing that you can do is wait for the market to break this a counter trend or counter resistant or a inner resistant, whatever. Then after the market broke out of this, we can say, you know what, once it closes above that, we can take the trade, or maybe you can wait for a retest before you take the trade. Simple as that. Don't complicate things. Or maybe the market might push lower, break this support area, then we will see the market doing what? Selling off. Simple as that. But at the moment, we're just waiting for the market to break one of the two. We'll be waiting. We don't know which one is going to be broken, but at the moment, it seems like the market is trying to push to the upside, which means maybe the resistance will be broken. Simple as that. But we saw the market respecting this area from 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's say 3 times. Maybe this is going to be for the 4th time, maybe, but we will see. We don't have to guess. We will just see, especially when the market breaks. We will just wait. We don't have to guess, guys. We don't have to guess. So let's move to the next one. I just want to make this video very long, guys. Sometimes I get late and I forget that I have people on YouTube who are waiting for me and they want those updates, right? So now we are on GERMAN30, GERMAN40. So let me use 4-hour time frame so that you can see the bigger picture of what's really happening here. So what we see is the market is still pushing low, guys. You can see the market is still respecting the resistance. I'm talking about the outer one. You can see that. But we have the inner trend, which the market is still respects. So we need to go very close and see what's really happening. If you missed my previous analysis, you still have time to go watch that, because you will have better understanding. Let me reduce this so that you can see what's really happening. So at the moment, the market is, you can see, let me try to do it like this. The market is here at the moment. Yeah, the market is here. So we just want to see if the market is going to respect this area. But it seems like the market is moving away from this resistance. As you see, the market has been respecting this area for some time now. And this is a 4-hour time frame. So it means this resistance is way too strong. Then at the moment, we're going to make sure we remove this. We're going to draw it later on, but we remove that so that our chart can be way too clean. So at the moment, it seems like we have something like a wedge. Why? Because if you check this area, we have something like a support area where the market respected before pushing up. At the top, we have another resistant line which make this sort of a triangle like that. So the market is just playing between this support and resistance. So what are we waiting for? We're just waiting for the market to break the resistance, or maybe to break the support area. We can say, you know what, we're going to continue selling. But some they can still sell here if they get a signal to say, maybe for a sell, they can still take that trade and sell from that area. But we can see the market seems to be rejecting from there. So if the market breaks here, we will expect the market to push the upside. If not, if the market is going to respect, we will see a sell-off. Simple as that. Don't complicate things. So if I was going to buy, I was going to place my orders around there, stop loss around this area, maybe my profit around. The profit shouldn't be like way too high, because people, they make like some crazy take profit like far. So sometimes the market won't reach there very quick. So if I was going to buy, I was going to place my orders like this. Actually, I was going to do like a buy pending order. If maybe I was going to sell, I was going to do something like this around this area and say, you know what, when the market reaches this area, I'm going to take that sell, but from a sell pending order. Simple as that. Don't complicate things. Don't complicate things. So let's move to the next one, which is you can support the channel by clicking the join button below and get exclusive content and daily analysis. You can get free free stock and up to 3,500 each, and access zero commission professional trading platform. Link in my description. US30. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, So, what do we see from here? We can see that the market is still bullish, still on US30. You can see US30. This is 4-hour time frame. So here we can see that the market was actually pushing to the lower side, and the market was respecting our resistance line, which shows us that the market was on bearish. When the market breaks that, it shows you that now I'm moving away from that trend. The trend was going down. Now we're going to have an uptrend. So when the trend is changing, it means now we have to think twice and say, you know what, now the market it's time for the market to push to the upside, which is simple. You see, the market is now pushing to the upside. So let's see what we can do from this area. When the market pushes to the upside, it shows us, you know what, the bearish momentum is no longer that strong. What's strong at the moment is the bullish momentum. So now the market, you can see that this thing is now an uptrend. So it means this is still on the like first stage. Actually, the market did not create some like higher highs, higher lows. It's still on the some very first stage. So going up, if this is going to keep pushing up, we might see the market doing something like this, if that is going to happen. But if not, we might see the market pushing to the lower side, which means we will be seeing some sell off again. But the market is still under pressure, guys. Don't expect some crazy buys or some crazy sell off. Just expect everything or anything. Anything can happen in the market. So we just go with the trend. If maybe the trend is saying sell, we're going to sell. If the trend is saying buy, we just going to buy. Simple as that. So let's move to the next one, which is NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is also giving us some nice buys, guys. We also killed this one. So what do we see here? We can see it's quite similar to what we saw on US30. The market was on this crazy bearish momentum. Then after we saw some crazy breakout, and after that the market came back and respect that area, or we can say a retest. You can see the market respected this area where it broke, came back. Now the market is pushing to the upside. But if maybe you missed this trade, sometimes it's not going to be easy for you to enter around this area, because you don't have to enter on the higher high at the moment. Wait for the market to give you a small rejection. When it pushes up, it will push up with you if it's going to continue with an uptrend, as we just broken out of this resistance. Breaking out of this resistance, it shows us that the market is now trying to push the upside, even though there is so much stuff going on around the world. But you can see the market is trying to push to the upside. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Yeah, this is Kenzo. I think for today it's enough. Maybe you will understand whatever that I'm trying to show you. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.